Hello guys, this is Andy from MOONCAKE Visuals. In today's video, we're gonna talk about another element type, which are pretty much the desk. So I'm gonna load my Studio A, and I'm gonna go to Style, and I'm gonna click the plus sign, and I'm gonna add this desk. So pretty much, desks are similar to screens because they had input as well. As you can see it, they have a screen. This one has a screen. So desk in here property, we have the scale of the desk, we have the color, so you can see it. We have this option if we want to show these chrome details, for example, in the desk, as you can see it. And also we can have a glow color for the desk as well, and intensity. So if I go here, there you go. Oops, too high. And as you can see, we have this no input as well, so we can just load an input. This can be NDI or can be a video, whatever you want, whatever input type you want to load. So your desk is gonna have a screen as well. Now, if you are another version of UEVS, you're gonna have more desks like this one. It's pretty much the same. As you can see it, we can load an input. Can show details. I can just color this desk. As you can see it. And I can just scale it to make it cool. Now that as you know, like the screen, this also has texture. You know that we can set the texture instead of the input. I can just quickly load a texture. As you can see it here. There you go. So we have a texture. We can remove the reflection. There we go. And also we have mapping in case we want to map it. And this is our desk. So now the only different desktop we have for now is this one. This one that doesn't have a screen. This desktop don't have screen. If you see in desk, you can just decrease the scale. But instead it has a ticker texture, as you can see. It's telling you the size of the content that it's supposed to be the ticker. So in here, right, in new sticker, I can just check it and I'm just gonna have this flat desk, or I can just load a texture for the ticker, as you can see it, and I can increase the speed of the ticker. So the speed of the animation, or I can just set 0 to set it fixed. So this is pretty much how this works. So I can just quickly load a talent, for example. Let me just work in here. I'm gonna use this one just for the sake of testing. So I'm gonna load these talents here, position rotation. I'm just gonna set this to be medium 2. I'm gonna set this scale down my plane. And for example, we get this. So let me just move the camera up. And I can just put my talent here, for example. So I can place my talent behind the desk or whatever you want to do. So this is pretty much. I hope you like this video. See you in the next video.